Hello and welcome to Algebra 2. Today is Monday, October 12th, and today we are doing a challenge problem of dividing rationals. The rest of today's class will just be good review and practice, so we are going to look at one of the more challenging versions of this type of problem. Alright, make sure you pause here and write our example down. Okay, great. So I see division. So right off the bat, I want to go ahead and do a keep change flip. So let's get that out. Okay, I'm going to label A, B, C, and D. Let's do A first, and we'll make this one yellow. Okay. So we have a pretty challenging factoring problem here, but nothing we can't handle. So I'm going to start by multiplying my 18 and negative 18 and positive 3. We get negative 54. I'm going to make my x negative 25 in the bottom. Okay, I definitely don't know which factors to use off the top of my head, so we're going to list them. 1 and 54, no. 2 and 27, that might actually work. If we do positive 2 and negative 27, add to negative 25 and multiply to negative 54. Great. Now I'm ready to make my square. Okay, I've got 3x squared, 3x, x minus 27x. I can take out a 9 here. Plus 2 minus 18. And then this minus 18 matches that. So I'm all set. My factors. The factors for my numerator are 3x plus 2 and x minus 9. Alright, let's do our b. B green. Okay. B is 27x plus 18. Okay, this will be a greatest common factor. 27 and 18 share a 9. So what's left is 3x plus 2. And that is it for point B. Let's go to our point C. We'll make this one blue. We'll put this one down here. And my polynomial for part C is 5x squared minus 33x plus 18. I'm going to start by multiplying 5 and 18. We get 90. I got 90 up top. Negative 33. I'm going to break up the factors of 90. 1 and 90 won't do it. 2 and 45 doesn't help. Going 3 and 30 will look pretty good. I can do negative 3 and negative 30. That will add to negative 33, and it will multiply to positive 90. Alright, I'm ready to make my square now. Okay, I've got 5x squared here, 5x, and x. I'm going to put my negative 30 right here. I can take out a minus 6. I'll put plus minus 3x here, take out a minus 3, positive 18, and that matches up with our original problem. So our two factors here are 5x minus 3 and x minus 6. Okay. Our very last one is part D. And actually, looking at this part D, I can't factor this one at all. There's nothing in common. It's not difference of squares. So there's actually nothing we need to do for part D. Okay, let's put everything back into its original positions. We'll do that over here. So I've got 3x plus 2 minus 9 over 9 times 3x plus 2. That was our green one. Times 5x minus 3, x minus 6. This was blue. And then our orange one that did not change because there was nothing to factor out, 5x minus 3. Okay, great. Now we're ready to cancel. So the 5x minus 3 cancel. And the 3x plus 2's will cancel. And that is it for this one. So we have x minus 9 times x minus 6 over just the lone 9 down here. That's all for today, guys. Thanks.